Alright, so this is after jet cleaning. It's a continuation of the job in Ruskin. I believe it's 3rd Avenue Southwest. And you can see how much cleaner the pipe is. With all the debris out of here. There may be one section that's compromised. Take a look at it and see. But I definitely don't think all of it is compromised. So right here, we've got one little root ball. And what I want to check is what drain that may be coming from, or if the pipe right there has an issue. Usually I find issues on the bottom and not on the side. So I'm going to try to go run things in the house and see if I can get flow from there. Alright, so it looks like I've got some flow coming out of there. So I'm hoping that it's a T. So I'm going to try to work my magic, and a lot of times when jetting, if there's any debris in the line past that point, what it'll do is it'll work its way into whatever crevice that you've got in the line. And in this case, it looks like a 2-inch line coming in the side right there. So let's see if we can work some magic on this. Alright, this line appears to be... Alright, so that line is only draining the bathroom vanity. That's the only thing that's coming out of that line right there. Alright, so I've verified that this spot is definitely only picking up the bathroom vanity. On the exterior wall, just to the left of the vanity, outside, there is a 3-inch PVC pipe run down along the ground, which picks up a bathroom that's all the way around the back. So what I would suggest would be to, instead of tearing the floor and everything up, that's going to pop us up to a vent, is you could just reroute the line just for the bathroom vanity. It's draining, it's just not draining very fast. I can't finagle anything to get it in there. When the plumbers have been out before, they have snaked just from the clean out. So I think I couldn't even get my camera down through the stack. I couldn't even get a small jetter head through the stack. So you could try running a cable through it and then just kind of flushing it with water. It does drain, and it's only a sink. So if not a lot of water is using the sink, it will continue to drain. That's the only issue that we have in the whole line now that it's clean. Everything else looks great. If you need a lot of water in the sink, just rerouting that one bathroom sink to that exterior pipe will absolutely solve the problem. If you have any questions, give me a call. Thanks for watching.